This is my PopBabies portable blender. So this is a perfect on-the-go blender. Whether you are taking this to the office, for travel, or even just using it at home, it's great for personal use. It holds about 16 fluid ounces. So I actually get about 2 smoothies out of there. Here's a little funnel too if you're putting any kind of protein powder or just any, I don't know, collagen, whatever's powdery, that you want to make sure it gets right into that jar. It does charge up via this Type-C and USB cable, which it makes it so easy to charge, especially if you're using it on the go, even in your car. A lot of times has USB ports. So very easy to clean. That glass base can be put into, or the glass cup can be put into the dishwasher. The base itself, you don't want to get wet at all. Also comes with a little ice cube tray, which is handy. You'll see it at the end of the video. As far as like placing items in it, you don't want the fruit pieces or whatever it is you're putting in there to be larger than 2 inches. So you want to use these small ice cubes. I just use frozen fruit, and that to me is, they're still ice cold, so it works great that way. And you don't want to fill the bottle more than about 2/3 of the way for optimal use. So here's how my smoothie came out. It was delicious, quick and easy, and just really love the way it looks too. Great color. Check it out.